Hi, my name is Wright. I'm a hospitality manager for Sanctuary Care. Today I'm making a braised beef and dumpling casserole using Knorr Professional roast beef paste bouillon. This product's perfect for this dish because what it does, it underpins all the other flavours within the dish and actually brings it together because of its depth of flavour. Okay, so to make this dish, what we do is we get our pan on the heat, we add some oil, and then we take the beef and we start to brown it. And we're browning it because we want to get some nice colour on the beef and we want to start that base flavour of the caramelisation of all the proteins within that beef. Now I've removed the beef, we're going to add the vegetables. So we're going to put our carrots and our swede and then finally our onions, and we're going to cook those in the oil in the same pan for a little bit until they're soft. Now we're going to add a little bit of garlic puree and stir that in. Now I'm going to add a little bit of rich stout, but you can use porter or any sort of dark ale for this. So we're going to make up our bouillon. So we're going to take our Knorr Professional roast beef paste bouillon and add it to our boiling water. And then we're going to add that to our vegetables in the pan. We're then going to cover it and then we're going to braise it for at least 90 minutes so that all the beef is lovely and tender. So now we've braised our beef in the stock, we're going to take that out of the oven now, and then we're going to add our Knorr gravy for meat granules. We're now going to take our balls of the pre-made dumplings that we've made, and we're just going to pop them on the top. We're going to return this to the oven without a lid this time because we want the dumplings to steam from underneath and be lovely and crispy and brown on top. So with the casserole, we're going to serve this with really crispy roast potatoes. I don't think people in Care can't eat crispy things, they can. So with the braised red cabbage and walnuts is one of the future 50 ingredients. We're going to serve that with some lovely honey and buttered cumin carrots. So again, not just your normal carrots, but something with a little bit more flavour. So the whole dish total, the right amount of protein, the right amount of carbohydrate, and actually colours, textures, all the things that you want to balance are in that dish.